What's up, resellers? I'm Rebecca and I have another unboxing for you. This time it is from Boutique by the Box, and I will tell you, I have ordered from them much over the years, but it's less frequent than Helpsy Source. I just find that the kinds of things that I like and the brands that I kind of rely on are at good prices at Helpsy Source, more reliably in bulk. However, I have had some really good buys from Boutique by the Box. This one is UnTuckit, so I'm going to go through that with you and a little bit about the reasoning and the cost and stuff. But I've ordered Lily Pulitzer from them. I ordered a Prana palette from them that was amazing, like 90% sell-through kind of amazing, like all profit kind of amazing. So there's definitely been some really good buys from them, and I think you just need to kind of decide what is right for your business and kind of have your own data and then know how to check the comps when you're doing these boxes, because you don't want to just buy and not be familiar and not know if you're going to be able to make money, because sometimes it can be very reasonable. Like this box was very reasonable in terms of price, but sometimes it can be expensive and you are really needing to have the data behind you before you make a gamble. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So this box again was UnTuckit. It was $160. It was a 40 item box. And so that puts it at $4 per item, which is very reasonable, very good. And I did check comps on the UnTuckit, and it looks like they're listed anywhere from $20 to $50, and that they're selling anywhere from about $15 to $20. So for a $4 price point, I'm good with that. Perhaps there will be multiples. It's supposed to be new with tags, new without tags. I did see many stock photos out there, so I feel like this should be a pretty easy list. They're tops. It should be pretty easy to deal with. And so if they don't all sell like gangbusters, that's okay. But as long as they sell over time, I'm good with that. Ooh, okay. So these are all in plastic bags. So they always let you know like who, did the box and who checked it and that they triple check it and all of that. The other thing that I really like with Boutique by the Box is that they're still doing free shipping, and so that does make a difference. And Helpsy Source does not do free shipping right now. I am an affiliate for both companies. That's why I'm kind of talking about them both back and forth. None of these unboxings that I'm doing are sponsored in any way, but I do recommend Helpsy Source and I do recommend Boutique by the Box. I also recommend a couple of other places, and you can find out about all of them in my free reseller resource guide, which is linked down below. And then I think I should have looked it up first, but my code for Boutique by the Box to get 10% off, I think it might be Rebecca the Reseller 10. I don't think it's just Rebecca the Reseller. I think it's Rebecca the Reseller 10. I'll put it on the screen. But diving into this, it's looking like all of these are in plastic. So I definitely want to check though, like, does that mean that they are all definitely new, or do they just happen to be packed in plastic? I don't know. I mean, obviously I'm gonna need to take them out to photograph them, but they're folded very nicely. They have like these hooks on them to keep it like in the very nice like rectangle. So I kind of don't want to open all of them. So this is a size, well, it's got an 8 in the middle. I'm not familiar, like I have sold UnTuckit before, but not like this and not recently. So this one says the Valerie size 8 fit regular. So I may just go off of like, this might be even easier than I thought. I may not take pictures of the actual items. I may just take pictures of them in the plastic and then find whatever stock photos I can find and kind of call it a day, because what a shame to unfold it all. So let's see what we have in here. So this one is the Valerie size 8. This is the Blush Aqua size 14. Now this looks like it's a cotton or linen just from the look of it. So that looks great. So then this is an Alianza size 2, which looks really similar to this one, but it's not the same. They have different names. Let's kind of see what we've got. This is a Durfort size 4. Now this looks like a split neck. This might be more like a peasant top type of thing, just by the look of it here. And again, probably a cotton. Angeline So far I haven't, okay, so here's my first multiple. So this is a size 6 of the Velour. I love a good multi-quantity listing. So this is an Angeline, so that's a dupe. So if I can get some good dupes out of this, that would be really good. This is a Maraska. These names are crazy. Now this is heavier and thicker, so it's supposed to be tops, but I don't know, like, could this be a dress or is this just a big top? I mean, it's a size 12, but the other ones seem rather light. This is a Leoville black and white size medium. So the sizes are actually really good. We've got a good mix, but some of them are on the larger side. Size 10, this is a Chasselis. So let's just keep digging in and see what we have. And here's another dupe of the Durfort, this boho one. So we've got a size 4 and size 6 of that. This is a Kalina. So, I mean, I'm seeing a lot of these out there. So again, I don't know that this is going to be a quick sell, but I think it's just, sometimes you just need those basics that kind of like sell over time. So this is a Mavrodafine size 4. I mean, what is with these names? All right, so we're going to need some more pile areas here. This is a Pinto purse, size 10. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs, everything that I have created, and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. Milani, size 18. I'm running out of room. Vietti, size 8. Here's another one. Vietti, size 10. So those go together. So let's do like that. So now I'm just going to be surrounded by UnTuckit shirts. Juliana, we haven't had that yet. That's going to go like that. This one, DeTorin, size 12. So let's see what we end up with. Here's another Dorfert, size 12. So that's good. Villa Fiore. I don't think we had that one yet. We'll put that over here. Looks like another one. Villa Fiore, size 2. DeTorin, size 16. Where did I throw that? Over here. All right, so we're definitely getting some dupes. I see some more. This is the Kalina, this pink and white gingham, which is cute. So size 8 and size 12. And I have it already in a 16. So that's good. Victoria, size 16. This is just plain white, so hopefully that is all. I mean, these look great. These are great. All right, so I'll stand that up there. This one I think I've had. Sherry? No. No, not had that, but here's another one. Sherry, size 8 and size 6. So, I mean, good sizes. Size 4, Villa Franchi. It's like a green one. I mean, they're all this kind of like plaid button-up type, but there are a few different kinds, so that's good too. Now, are those going to go? I looked mostly button-up, button-down, button-up, button-front. I looked mostly for those. Wheel in. This one looks like that one, but something must be different because they have different names. So this is the same as that one over there. Pinot purse, size 10, and I have a size 10, but like, don't they look the same? They look the same, but they're not. Santa Marzi, that's another one. Over there. Wheeling. Okay, so those are both size 2. Villafranche, I just said that one, so you're over there. All right, these are a whole bunch of these. Beliza, size 12, 18, 14, 6, 8, and 0. So that's good. So out of this box, it was supposed to be 40 items. Therefore, I'm going to do 40 listings. Okay, great. But now what's happened because of the duplicates, I'm actually doing a lot less work. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So now I've ended up with only doing 22 listings. So if I decide to take them out of the packages and do photos, I only need to do 22 sets of photos, 22 listings, and then I can get all of this listed, making use of the multiple quantity, which is great. And so then the benefit of that is you put it up once, you can sell it multiple times. I mean, this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 6 of them. So I can do the work once and sell it 6 different times and make the profit without doing any additional work, which really is the reason why I love boutique and why I love multiple quantity. I was not expecting this amount of multiples in here, so that's good. And well, I should say it could be good and bad. So it's good if it sells. If it's bad, then it doesn't sell and it just sits there and you have 8 of them and that's not the one that anybody wants. So I don't know. But I like multiple quantity because it does save me time and effort, and I know that the potential is out there to make more. So I don't know if this fits your business model, but it fits mine. I think this is great. This was an easy order. It took me 2 seconds. I got a great price on it. I got free shipping. I sorted it all this way, so now I know exactly what I need to do. I mean, they came packaged up, so you can't ask for more than that. Hopefully I'll be able to find stock photos for all of them, and hopefully it's a quick list and a quick sell. So they do still have them on their website. You can catch them. I don't know by the time this video goes up if they'll still be up there, because I do, record ahead of time. But this is the kind of thing when you're ordering boxes, you need to kind of have your friendly sources, which for me is Helpsy Source, Boutique by the Box, Bazaar, a couple other places. And I just check them regularly. I pay attention to the notices that they send out of when they're having a sale. I know what my favorite things are to get from them. If they have things that change all the time, which Boutique by the Box does, a lot of times they have things that change, then you can kind of get roped into something new, but always do your research first. If you do want to order from Boutique by the Box, again, check the free reseller resource guide. And again, I'll put it on the screen, but I'm pretty sure my code to get 10% off is Rebecca the Reseller 10. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Posher VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Posher VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.